Filing season may feel far away because it is far away, 4 months, but while you deck the halls during the holidays, it's important to take a look at your tax plan. A local financial professional, John Vandergriff from Blue Ridge Wealth Planners, joins us now. He's following up Coach Heupel, so, you know, he was the opening act. Yeah. And now here you are. You're going to talk about some real serious issues. His strategies for the game. What are your strategies to lower your tax liability while we still have, I don't know, 20 days left in the year, 23 days.
Well, and like we talked about, with as good as the football team has done this year, he probably needs to listen to some tax strategies, especially with the big raise.
Yeah, he's probably going to get a raise, exactly.
But yeah, no, for us, you know, obviously people think of tax season at the first part of the year because that's when they have to file their taxes. But for financial planners, our tax season is now, just trying to get things done by the end of the year, because a lot of the things that you need to do that affect this tax year have to be done by December 31st, other than making some contributions when you do file your taxes to like your IRAs or Roth IRAs. So trying to get all those done before that deadline is very important, especially if you do want it to count for 2022.
And those charitable donations, get them in before the end of the year. Help the charity, help yourself, I guess. What kind of laws and what kind of changes are we looking at as we go into the 2022 tax season?
Yeah, a couple of things of note. Last year there was like a $300 tax credit that you could just get for cash donations. They've done away with that. The brackets did increase, and then the other thing that's notable is if you have gotten revenue from PayPal or Venmo, if it's over $600, you're going to have to report that now. So those are a few notable things. Other than that, just checking in on those brackets and seeing where you fall based on your salary and income.
And just to jump on that, and you may not know, but if it's less than that, you know how you're doing, like, example, I've done some things with my family, getting photos taken. It's, hey, you owe me 25 bucks. Those aren't things you need to worry about.
No, that $600 and up. Usually people that are using that as a way to start a business is what they're really trying to get to.
I've heard some people just say, I'm not using Venmo anymore, but I guess if it's $600, you don't have to worry too much about it. What about strategies as we want to decrease our tax liability, I should say? Yeah, so
obviously utilizing Roth IRAs while our tax brackets are relatively low compared to where they've been historically is something we've given a lot of advice on. You know, again, you've got to look at every one of your situations a little differently, because none of these are blanket everybody should do, other than you do want to take advantage of free money. So make sure that you're maxing out your donations or your contributions to your plans. If you're looking to do some donations, maybe being strategic and bunching those, you know, especially at the end of the year, if you could give money that you would normally give next year now, you could get above that standard deduction and get some credit for it. But the main thing is, when you look at all the things that are going on with taxes, it can get complicated. If you don't have an idea, really any direction, go talk to a financial person. They should be the ones that guide you this side of the end of the year to really help you make some good decisions.
All right, John, thank you very much. And by the way, all my brothers and my sisters did pay me back, in case anyone wants to know.